there, it's Rob for Company 23 Tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use part number 516, and this is the piston ring compressor tool. So here we have the piston ring compressor tool. We have a piston, and then we also have a Subaru engine block. The piston walls have been thoroughly lubricated. That way the piston slides in easy. What you want to do is orientate your piston rings per the manufacturer's instructions, and then slide it into the piston ring compressor tool. Just like this. And then adjust it if need be to fit the piston. And then simply slide it into the bore. Just like this. And then take a wooden handle of a mallet and just gently tap it in. Goes in super easy. No damage, and it fits perfect. So you're good to go there, and you're on to the next cylinder. Don't forget to visit the website www.company23.com.